Yo, so I got a trade recap for Monday morning. Essentially going into this, I was bullish, of course, price has been bullish, you're in this 4 hour fair value. We generated liquidity, we had this strong manipulation leg with a SMT with ES down here. Kind of had this market structure break, so it kind of made sense that price wanted to go higher. When it came into it, just give us a moment. Came into it, we had these relative equal highs that were up here. I was bullish, delivered into hourly fair value. The macro kind of came into this area, so I was expecting higher prices here. The initial entry was this. Correction, I took two trades. First one was this little 1 minute invest fair value gap here. This is me kind of just being way too reactive. It's a very silly setup. I like the risk to it. I literally just looked at the risk. I was like, 1 minute I was like 1 minute invest fair value gap. Let's try and take. I was already bullish, so I just wanted to see if this would work. Essentially, I liked the risk. It was very low, considering the fact that you literally had a 4 hour. I was like, this is definitely worth it, even though it was a bad confirmation. It didn't do it. So essentially, the next setup was this 3 minute invest fair value gap. It showed real good promise, or not invest, CISD for confirmation. Showed a really good confirmation up here. I saw this move up. I was like, price isn't going to come down. And then it stopped me at break even, right in this tick here. Tick before, what it did is it continued higher. And it eventually takes those highs. My target, my draw for during the 8 AM macro. But yeah, this was a clean market maker buy strike trade in there. Is it annoying? I was evaluating these, but still. And it kind of makes me think that my edge is not putting trades to break even. I think the idea is my most profitable trades are when I just let the risk stay on and I let the trade run, regardless of what it does. So it's another thing to consider for me. I think break even's not really the move to go. The other thing which I did like was kind of the idea of trading this kind of market maker shift, looking for the second entry of this stuff. I saw this really clean 1 minute invest fair value gap here, and the price essentially held it for a move higher. Again, maybe you wait for your entry there. The entry's not great here, but you wait for that retest. You have less in this case here you have less risk, but you also have less reward, but still it's not such a bad way to kind of look for a long trade in this case here. It's kind of clean. It's another kind of intention that you can do. Just look for a trade like that, but that's what I thought. I was right on bias and draw. It's just I didn't let my edge play out. And I'm really seriously considering if break even is a good model for me.